Imagine a world where the words minimum requirements don't exist. A world where you don't just play the game, you live inside it with zero compromises. Today, we are looking at a machine that doesn't just push the boundaries, it completely erases them. This is the Panorama XL RTX 5090 powerhouse, and it is quite literally the fastest consumer PC on the planet right now. Let's talk about the heart of this beast, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. This is the pinnacle of the new Blackwell architecture. We're talking about 4K gaming at triple-digit frame rates and 8K performance that actually feels smooth. Whether it's heavy path tracing or intense AI rendering, this card is in a league of its own. But a GPU this powerful needs a partner that can keep up. Enter the 24-core Intel Ultra 9285K. This chip is a multitasking monster. Gaming, streaming, and 8K video editing all at the same time? This CPU doesn't even break a sweat. Most people say 32 gigabytes of RAM is enough. We say, why stop there? This build is packed with 128 gigabytes of high-speed DDR5 RAM. It's total overkill, and that's exactly why we love it. You can have 100 Chrome tabs, a rendering project, and a AAA game open simultaneously without a single hiccup. For storage, we are moving at the speed of light. The 4TB NVMe 9100 Pro Gen 5 SSD delivers speeds that make traditional drives look like dial-up. Everything from Windows 11 Pro to your heaviest games loads instantly. And for your massive library of files and footage, there's an extra 6TB HDD for a total of 10TB of storage. All that power generates heat, but the Panorama XL case isn't just beautiful, it's an airflow master. The entire system is liquid-cooled, keeping the hardware frosty even during 24-hour gaming marathons. The panoramic glass gives you a front-row seat to the cleanest hardware ever assembled. This rig is future-proofed with Wi-Fi 6E for ultra-low latency and enough connectivity to power a full command center. Best of all, it comes with a 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind that this investment is built to last. This isn't just a computer, it's the ultimate weapon for gamers and creators. If you're ready to stop compromising and start dominating, you need to check this out. I've put the official link in the description and the pinned comment below. Click that link to check the current price and full specs on Amazon. The era of the RTX 5090 is here. Don't just play the game, own it.